Ding dong. Hi. Wow, it's really raining out. What's your name? Oh, nice to meet you. Oh my god, you're soaked. Must be cold. Are you? Are you cold? Here, come inside. Come inside. Yes, come inside. Come on. I'll let you take a shower. And I can throw those clothes in the wash too, if you want. Wow, you have such a cute name. Just saying. You remind me of someone too. I'm glad you rang the doorbell. Your clothes are so wet. Even your jacket is damp. It rains very hard this time of year. Okay, so the bathroom is up the stairs and to the left. There's towels inside the closet. In the bathroom. I'm going to wash your clothes as well. I got one of my t-shirts and some shorts for you to change into. I'll show you upstairs. Somehow she got in front of me and started heading up the stairs. She started walking up the steps. She got up the first 3 steps and quickly nose dived and fainted. I caught her with my arms and brought her upstairs and laid her in bed. I ran downstairs, poured some water in a glass, and got a small towel and wet it. Then I ran upstairs, put it on her head, and put the water by her nightstand. This woman was laying in my bed, had a short skirt on and a V-neck. Her hair was very brown, and she was wet from the cold rain. I would try not to stare, but her body was hypnotizing. Her underwear was red and black. Sadly, I was the only male there. This is my house, after all. I'm single, male, living in my house, and this woman shows up. She fainted too. Wonder if she's okay. My heart was beating so fast, my body reacted. I was staring right at her panties, after all. She had opened her eyes and was staring right at me, going crazy with desire. I think you're cute, she said, in a sexual manner. Are you okay? You passed out on the stairs. Thank you, she whispers. No problem. I'm just glad that you are okay. I mean, I'm glad you came to this house. Some people wouldn't be as friendly to you. I know that we just met, but you smell really good. That kind of attracts me a little bit. I mean a lot. She starts dying laughing and says, "Come lay down with me." I say, No, you rest. I'm going to make some tea to warm us up. I quickly run downstairs and make some green tea. No sugar, just green tea. I come back up to the room and hand her tea. She is sitting up and she thanks me and takes a sip. She puts it on the nightstand, then slowly crawls out of bed, stands up, and says, "Well, I think I'll take that shower now." I say, "You should rest. You don't want to pass out again." She starts laughing and says, "I'm taking a shower now." She starts removing her clothes right in front of me. She first takes off her V-neck, exposing her breasts, slightly bouncing. Her bra is red and black, matching her underwear. Then she's unzipping the back of her skirt and slipping it off. I try not to stare, but my mind absorbs everything. She stands there in front of me with her underwear on and quickly I'm sorry. And I quickly say, "It's down the hall and to the left." She pays no attention and unclips her bra, removing it. Then she takes a finger and slides it right between her underwear and her skin and starts to pull down, removing her camel toe, and slips it off. All of it off. She quickly says, "I think I'll take a shower now."